Gaeilge go clárala than now you're talking. In this programme, we look at some of the language most commonly used when talking to children and close friends. In an earlier programme, we heard some requests and orders like Fan bomuche, wait a minute, Covered, be careful, and be queuing, be quiet. We'll start off today with some new orders and requests. The first ones are all negative ones and begin with na be. Na be canch, don't talk. Na be queenu, don't cry. Na be gari, don't laugh.
Gaeilge go get mat in the Sharkland to see you know in the Bahamas. Holma go saying that taste in the Bahamas.
I want na be canch. Shh, na be queenu.
Na be Gaeilge.
Na be canch, don't be talking. Na be queenu, don't be crying. Na be gari, don't be laughing. Bigi was used because more than one person was being spoken to. Na be gari, don't be laughing. Na be gari, when more than one person is being spoken to.
Gaeilge go get mat in the Sharkland to see you know in the Bahamas. Holma go saying that taste in the Bahamas.
I want na be canch. Shh, na be queenu.
Na be Gaeilge.
Na be Gary. Stop laughing. Literally, don't be laughing. Na be Gary. Na be queenu. Don't cry. Literally, don't be crying. Na be queenu. Na be can't. Stop talking. Literally, don't be talking. Na be can't.
Two other negative orders are na be dana and na jan shin. Dana means bold and na jan shin means don't do that.
Frederick, na be dana.
Chif mar boil chif. Na biggie dana.
Slan, slan.
Na Jensen. Be suanya.
Na Jensen, na be dana.
Na janshin, don't do that. Na be dana, don't be bold. An extra phrase you heard in the third scene was be suanya, which means be quiet. Listen again.
Frederick, na be dana.
Chif mar boil chif. Na biggie dana.
Slan, slan.
Na Jensen. Be suanya.
Na Jensen,
Na Genshin. Don't do that. Na Genshin. Na be dana. Don't be bold. Na be dana. Be sueña. Be quiet. Be sueña.
We'll move on now to some other orders and requests. The first three that you'll hear are Nidai, wash your face, Glandalawa, clean your hands, and Kirdachaj Gruige, comb your hair.
Anya.
Cha? Oh, Frederick, ní dé.
Gaeilge, glanta lewe. Mag je kalien.
Oh, my Kira. Cúir a thuid grúige, agus ní dé.
Cír de chud gruide. Comb your hair. Cír de chud gruide. Glan de lewe. Clean your hands. Glan de lewe. Ní dé. Wash your face. Ní dé.
If you were speaking to more than one person, you'd say Nígi war nai, wash your faces, Glánigi war láwa, clean your hands, and Kírigi war good gruige, comb your hair.
Dad! 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 Nígi manei!
Glánigi war lewa, waina calni.
Fuhanni, Kírigi war gruig agus Nígi war nei. Tá sin greinin seo.
Let's watch them again.
Dad! 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 Nígi manei!
Glánigi war lewa, waina calni.
Fuhanni, Kírigi war gruig agus Nígi war nei. Tá sin greinin seo.
Kírigi were good gruide. When speaking to more than one person, Kírigi were good gruide. Glánigi were lewa. When speaking to more than one person, Glánigi were lewa. Nígi were nay. When speaking to more than one person, Nígi were nay.
And in Ballamore, Connor and Louise are heading off to Paris for the weekend, leaving Deirdre in charge. Relations between herself and Sean improve slightly, and she discovers that he and Michael are writing a song together, a Comuara and Gaeilge.
Nishna bidana, agus tar codju da Deirdre. Bishop Catholic, Bekinju. Bimage mai. Fine, Tomlin.
Slán,
Slánny Addy.
Cafad i gysio fen.
Slán. Slán. Party on.
Could you thart? Could you harla? Inis is scale do.
Deirdre Blair. You heard she scorch on him.
Nis is jain, but te ceart go leor. Cai mas garcha go rahu.
Cart go leor.
Hello?
Bishop Catholic.
Tá wamai. Bimage Catholic, toka bugga. Emigi live. Elish ni day. Agus glanda lawe. Agus kier da haid groige.
To go hold the mommy.
Agus Jane Jeffrey. Classroom.
Hi!
Hello, Deirdre agus a Connor. Jim a Tashif. Yeah, come in Tamil too, Deirdre. She Tashif Yanu.
Well, to mommy agus daddy or Sarah agus.
Oh, Kahach.
Tá si de baris an jury seaartainne. Wyn si ticketí go mórtas. Cútas a gáil?
G studio Taffet a Vihil. Thomas, you come over and Hila.
Nach mai díh.
A while you've hacked. A while at chin.
Boy, kinche.
Tá bronar mi chéin ach ní híglinn gáil inniu.
Michael Yard. Chief Bishop.
Slán.
Slán.
We'll move on now to an important question. Could you thort? What's wrong with you? Could you thort literally means what's on you, which is used in many areas and is a direct translation from Irish. Could you thort? What's wrong with you?
Guitar. Oh, stop.
Go dé tart.
Jim Taishif.
Go mai.
Go dé tart a hétí. Go dé tart.
Could you tart? What's wrong with you? Could you tart?
Could you thought? Let's look at the same question being asked in other dialects.
Ceart hort.
Chráine, Catart.
Could you thought? Watch out for the expressions used by the people in the following scenes to describe what's wrong with them.
Guitar.
Bóhfuil mai, na bí cíniú.
Oh, stop.
Go dé tart.
Tá tinnis cenearm.
Jim Taishif.
Go mai.
Go dé tart a hétí.
De piano mólag.
Go dé tart.
Tá tinnis fiaclarm.
You heard 3 different answers there. Chinis fiacla, a toothache. Ta chinis fiaclarum, I have a toothache. You also heard ta chinis kinyarum, I have a headache. And ta pina mawalak, I have a pain in my stomach.
Guitar.
Bóhfuil mai, na bí cíniú.
Oh, stop.
Go dé tart.
Tá tinnis cenearm.
Jim Taishif.
Go mai.
Go dé tart a hétí.
De piano mólag.
Go dé tart.
Tá tinnis fiaclarm.
Tá tinnis fiaclarum. I have a toothache. Tá tinnis fiaclarum. Tá piana mawallag. I have a pain in my stomach. Tá piana mawallag. Tá tinnis kinyarum. I have a headache. Tá tinnis kinyarum.
Balamunny, the town on hilly land. Munnu is a Scottish word meaning hilly land. It's very common in Scottish place names, but Balamunny is one of the only examples of it here. Bala is a town and is probably one of the most common words and place names in Ireland. Other words for towns and villages are Sraj, a street, Srajwala, a town street, Gaeilge, a settlement, and Cahar. Cahar originally meant stone fort, but became the word for city as well. You'll hear them all in the following place names. Ballaighali, O'Dally's town. Atraj, the street. Srajwala, street town. Gaeilge na Monach, hamlet of the monks. Cahar Saivin, stone fort of Saivin. Balamunny is also known as the capital of the Root being a corruption of the name Riada, and the Riada in question was Carabra Riada, meaning Carabra the long-armed. In the 3rd century AD, Carabra Riada took control of the territory of North Antrim, which then became known as Dal Riada, meaning the territory of the descendants of Riada. 13 generations later, one of those descendants, Fergus, invaded an area of Scotland now known as Argyll. This area became known as the Second Dal Riada. That Balamunny was once the capital of Dal Riada has not been forgotten in this area. The name occurs in many places in the town. A quick recap now on what we've done so far. We've learned some new orders and requests like Nabi Quinu, Nabi Dana, Glondalawa, and we've also learned how to ask what's wrong. G'day thort.
Na bí cíniu.
Frederick, na bí déine.
Chiile, glanta lewer. Maithe cailín.
Gydé tarta chael.
Tá sin is fiacail arm agus tá pean má bhálag.
Oh, gotcha.
Now for some new questions. The first three we look at all begin with a wiltu. Wiltu cart galore, are you all right? Wiltu fuir, are you cold? Wiltu chin, are you ill or sick?
Wat de kaart geloor?
Tá tinnis cinnearm.
A bhile tú achtar ráte?
Níor bhaid gur maigad.
Tú faoiar?
Tá.
Seo. Tug mo cháta.
Gur maigad.
Bhfuil achar sort?
Ja,
Bhfuil tú tin?
tá pean má bhálag.
In that last scene, the man asked the boy if he was hungry. Well, ochra sort, are you hungry? Let's watch it again.
Wat de kaart geloor?
Tá tinnis cinnearm.
A bhile tú achtar ráte?
Níor bhaid gur maigad.
Tú faoiar?
Tá.
Seo. Tug mo cháta.
Gur maigad.
Bhfuil achar sort?
Ja,
Bhfuil tú tin?
Will tú chin? Are you sick? Will tú chin? Will tú fuiar? Are you cold? Will tú fuiar? Will tú cart go leor? Are you all right? Will tú cart go leor? O bhfuil achra sort? Are you hungry? O bhfuil achra sort?
We're going to listen to some words and phrases from other dialects which you probably haven't heard in a while. Listen to them and see if they jog your memory.
A bhaide, ce bhfuil tú?
Go mágur mahad.
Féitin sa síos. Cínta. Apple, ein scéal.
Na hira? Can is stán tú? Go mágur mahagad. Ní aca mé húla fada.
While Conor Og is playing games in the arcade, Deirdre goes to see a fortune teller who tells her to return the following day, Tararasha Marach, for another reading. You'll also hear Chiam, I see.
Sean pean is fearlam.
Ceac leor. Anis, fáin an seo.
A haon, dó. A haon, dó, trí. A bhéal bhfuil tú ré. Go dtí hála?
Seo. Tá sé ceart go leor chéin. Lean át.
A hánar, gin défrug.
Ó, cean bháin eile le do hó.
Mai go leor.
Bariste agus sí síos.
Gur mai good.
Gdíad dhéanú? Shh. Fan stocker na bí cant. Cred go am lá. Tíam bort a Richland.
Bú siad cear go leor?
Tá rian ag sáilseoarú. Agus tú hen. Tíam bohol leháin. Ní ha tíam bort. Tá bort bhuilí a do híl.
Go dé dhéana ma?
Chilú aigid.
Ní leafhín ruagum.
Tá rá sem mar mar sin. Bé man seo. Chif ma mara tú.
Nabí cúniu a ghrageal na chrí. Bé mé arás. Agus bé gach rud ar cuí. An jazz ar fad. Ar bhhaile é cheol a ríist. Ná ní higliam. Caim amacht. Tá má gobar nacht. Cear go leor. Bhí sin go mai. Deichlog maidin mar mar sin? Go bre.
Honor. Ó, gom leis go. Cún se?
Shinjarulia Claren Lijeg. Next time we look at the vocabulary you need to describe people. Marshin Gadin Hitplarala, Slan Powell.
In this episode of Now You're Talking, you heard Nabi Kanch,
Nabi Quinu,
Nabi Dana,
Najanshin,
Biswinya,
Ni Day,
Nigi Wernay,
Glandalawa,
Glanagi Werlawa,
Kier the Hutch Gruige,
Kirigi were good gruedje,
Tachinis Kinyarum,
Tachinis Fiekle arm,
Tapinam Wallag,
Will to Carcalar,
Will to Freer,
Will Acrasart,
Will to Chin,